My name's Adam Whitmire. I'm the fund manager for the Arabella Real Estate Fund, and I want to talk to you about one of our storage projects in Huntsville, Alabama. Huntsville is the fastest growing city in Alabama. It's really the only city in the whole state of Alabama that we do any business in currently. I love the Huntsville market. I've been a big fan of that market for several years. It's always had fantastic demographics. They've got the highest concentration of PhDs in the country. They have the second largest research park in the nation, fourth largest in the world. The population, I think in a 50-mile radius, is about 1.2 million. It's just a fantastic area. I think in 2022, U.S. News ranked Huntsville the #1 most desirable place to live in the United States. So there you go. This project we actually purchased last year, the land. It was in an area called Owens Crossroads. This particular area where the property is located, there's a Walmart, Publix next door, 20,000 cars on a daily average going by the site. And the area, 3-mile radius, is well over 100,000, maybe over 115 or 117,000. Median income. There's a really nice neighborhood and golf course across the street. So it's a really nice area and a fantastic project. We like ground up development right now is because the yield is good. Even though interest rates went up a good bit last year, the yield on cost when you're doing a storage building ground up is still 8%, which is better than interest rates right now. So still gives us the advantage of positive leverage. So we just closed on our JV partnership. We've got a JV equity partner in this project. Interestingly enough, this particular JV equity partner also brings a lot of experience to the table. They've been operating as a storage developer and owner-operator in that market since the 90s. They sold 7 of their projects to one of the large nationals, brought them into the market. So they're very, very sophisticated, have a lot of experience. They actually added lots of value to our design of this building. When we went back, when we created this partnership, we went back and did some redesign on the site to do some improvements, some value add, and their experience and knowledge was invaluable, and I think it made the site even better. The total construction of the project is going to be about $10.1 million. So we're going to put in around $3 million of equity. The IRR is penciling right now at about 27% and north of the 2x multiple, which is right where we like to see developments. But again, the part about this storage development and just storage in general right now, as I'm giving this update in 2023, it's difficult to do a lot of types of residential projects, but storage projects are not difficult. They're not difficult to fund. As a matter of fact, when we went to market to get debt for this project, we got multiple term sheets. And I'm talking like 5.95% interest rate or 6.2%, depending on if we're doing recourse or non-recourse. I mean, really good rates compared to what's in the market today. And we got multiple offers from different banks, which is a lot different than what you're seeing anywhere else in any other types of assets. So again, I love storage. We love this asset. We love this location. And I just wanted to put this update out there. There'll be more updates for the future that we can discuss as well. For more information about this project or other projects in the fund, there's a link in the description. Go take a look at the projects on our website. And there are also project updates on the website that give you more detail in what we're doing and how we're making money today in this market as we transition from a seller's market to a buyer's market.